In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an existing project into Lovable via GitHub Connection. Lovable tutorial. First, open your browser and head over to lovable.dev. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace where you want your project to live. Starting from the home page, look for the Settings area. This is where you'll configure your integrations and get everything ready for the import. Inside Settings, find the GitHub section. This is the key connection that lets Lovable read your repositories and link them to your workspace. If you haven't connected GitHub yet, click to connect and follow the prompts to authorize access. You'll be asked to approve permissions so Lovable can read the repositories you choose. If your code is in an organization, ensure the GitHub app is installed for that organization and that you've granted access to the specific repos you plan to use. If you've already connected GitHub in the past, take a second to verify the connection is still active and that the right repositories are selected. Once that's squared away, head back to the Lovable dashboard. This is your overview page where projects surface after the connection is established. Give it a moment if you've just connected GitHub. It can take a short while for repositories to sync the first time. When the sync is done, you'll see your existing projects, including one sourced from your GitHub repositories. Use search or filters if you have a long list to quickly find what you're looking for. Next, choose the project you want to work with and open its page, then go into that project's settings. Each project has its own configuration panel, and that's where you'll confirm the repository link for this specific import. Within the project settings, open the GitHub section. Here, verify that the project is connected to the correct repository and branch. If the repository name or branch doesn't look right, switch to the one you intend to use. It's also a good idea to confirm that your default branch aligns with your development workflow and that the repository's visibility and permissions match your team's needs. That's it. You've connected GitHub, returned to your dashboard to see your synced projects, selected the one you wanted, and confirmed the GitHub link at the project level. You're now set to build, update, and collaborate in Lovable using your existing code base. Congratulations.